Hi there, please like and subscribe. Tap settings. Connections. Wi-Fi. Tap the three dots. Intelligent Wi-Fi. Switch to mobile data. Use mobile data whenever your Wi-Fi internet connection is slow or unstable. Tap. You can turn off, turn on. Use mobile data whenever your Wi-Fi internet connection is slow or unstable. Network exception. Your phone will remain connected to the network even if the connection is unstable. Allow individual apps to switch. Get notifications to switch apps to mobile data when they can't connect using the current Wi-Fi network. Yeah, we can too. Apps selected below will switch to mobile data if they were blocked or there is a connection problem on the current Wi-Fi network. Please like and subscribe.